for tuning in to another great episode of Driven by Gears. Look what we got fired up today. We got the General. Whoa! Let's see if this camera's working. Are you in there? Hey, yeah, come on in. Come on in, stay a while. Come to the channel, check it out. Hit a thumbs up, maybe subscribe. Till next, keep watching. So basically you just watch some footage there of me taking the front chin spoilers off. I'm going to do some modifications on that, make it smaller, maybe use some different material. As you also seen, I put in some camber bolts, which turned out they were just like the ones that are in there, so I really don't see how it could make any difference. So we're going to check the toe in and toe out, and as I can already see here, we definitely have some toe in on one. Actually, I think they're both toed in. So I got the line set up here, and as you can see here, there's quite a bit of difference in the gap. So, and look at this one, a lot of toe in. So this probably must be the reason for the wear on the outside. But we'll do this, get it pretty much close as possible, and then we'll take it to a shop and have them do a full complete laser alignment on it. And then that will hopefully take care of that, and I can start driving this bad boy again without wearing the tires out like crazy. I actually got some bigger, beefier tires here to put on the back and run the little ones on the front. So, and then after we get all that squared away, let's start putting this bad boy on. I'm pretty sure the weather here lately is going to start cooperating. And of course I'm going to have to clean up this garage because it's turned into almost like a storage building. So keep watching. We will adjust the tie rod ends on the front here, and then that will be it for this video. And then we'll see the results in a few days, maybe Monday, on how well this redneck alignment works compared to lasers. Stay tuned for that.
Wow.
See here, we're going to go out and test drive the truck a little bit. We painted some lines on the tires, so we're going to actually drive around and see how the paint. Turn that off, I'll get monetized. I'm going to actually drive it around, look at the paint stripes I put on the front tires to see how they wear, see if it helps. So, come with me for a ride.
Wow.